I really do believe that joy comes out of effort and challenge. I can be happy doing something easy, and that is fleeting. And I don't, I love being happy, but true joy that gives you that sense of aliveness, that sense of true human lift is because you have come out on the other side of something that really challenged you, and I love your interview with Ellen de Botton, who says, and this is, I think, is true for how we need to think about our students. We've, I don't want to paraphrase him incorrectly, but this notion that we've started pathologizing uh, sorrow, uh,
Mhm.
you know, hard things. Um, they are a part and parcel of life, right? When you know you're on that journey, and these are waypoints you will go through at some point, but on the other side is a different person who's experienced the world in much richer, deeper ways, and who will see what they come to next in those much deeper, richer ways. That's now I'm not going to say I've never quoted Alain de Botton because I hadn't really read him much, but I will for your interview because I thought it was so interesting. But this notion that challenging yourself is growth, and growth is life, So let's not be afraid of it. Let's engage it, um, and feel the joy that comes out. And I see that so often with students who go, I never knew I could do that. It
Yeah.
was so hard and I was so scared, but I feel something special right now.